Hi there. So today in this video we are going to talk about how we can password protect our post or pages on the WordPress site. And it is not very hard. WordPress by default provides the setting to do that. So let's jump into the protecting the post, and it will applicable for any post types, post page, or any custom post type. I'm gonna show you with the post, and similarly you can do the same for the pages or any other custom post type. So let's say I want to password protect this post 535, and first let me add some. Okay, we do have content over here, and here you see visibility public, so click on that and select password protect, and I'm gonna add password and then update. Now if any user tries to visit that post, it will display that this content is password protect. Please enter password to view. So I'm gonna enter the password. So now we are seeing the content of this post, and if I refresh this, I'll be continuing displaying the content. So password is only for one time. Now let's try to make visibility private. So when you make the private any post or page, it will visible to only admins and editor. So let's update this and let's refresh this page. So as I am logged in as the admin of the site, so I am by default able to see the content. Let's try to access this page, this post with other than admin or editor. So let's try to switch the user, and if I go to users, let's try to see that page as subscriber. So switch to subscriber. Okay, now I am logged in as this subscriber user. Let's try to refresh this, and as you can see, you will see that nothing found here. Now let's switch back to the admin and let's try to see the page as editor. So I'm gonna go to users, and seems like we don't have any editor here, so I'm gonna make this user as an editor and update it. And now I'm going to switch to this user, which is editor. And now if I try to refresh this, I am able to see the page content or post content. So this is how we can protect our post or pages or custom post type on the WordPress. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.